On your birthday.
So rub them off a healthy tree.
Happy birthday
Yo,
to you.
transfer, I have to pick them off a tree. Rub them off in a container and spread them out in the sun or out there. So I process that. Pimento. Enough out and spend one bag of money at a supermarket for and sitting. Make all wine with them things. Yeah.
Birthday greetings are coming from husband Otis.